It's Jackie Mumfree, the real estate maven, and right now I am just finishing up an open house. I was going through turning off some lights, but wanted to tell you about this property. I had 29 people come and tour the property today, which was awesome. It's only been on the market for a little less than a week. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2-story here on a slab, approximately 3,252 square feet on a nice flat level lot that's fenced in here in a gated community of Providence, right off of Veterans Memorial. So this property here is very special. Its asking price is $395, or they will consider doing a lease for 18 months at $2,650. There is 2 pools in the community, a clubhouse, tennis courts, tot lot, walking trails across the street from Publix and Bank of America, dry cleaners, a hair salon, a nail shop. So it's a great location, only 3 miles from downtown. It is one of the few gated communities here in all of Mableton. There's only 5, and this is one of the only ones, and this is the only one actually that has a guard that monitors the front. So just want to share with you guys this great deal. The web address where you can learn more about this property is on my website. The website is therealestatemavin.net. That's therealestatemavin.net. Or call me so I can get you in so you can see this big pretty kitchen here behind me. And call me at 678-929-8330. Let me see if I can show you a little bit more of it. Isn't that a pretty kitchen? Custom backsplash, undermounted lighting, stainless steel appliances, center island, hardwood floors. Beautiful all the way around. So check it out. 678-929-8330 is the number, or go to my website at therealestatemavin.net. Thanks again for watching, and as always for your support. If I can help you buy, sell, or invest in real estate here in the Atlanta metro area, give me a call. Look forward to talking to you.